Let's turn the countdown. Let's refresh this one. Great. All right, the exercise number 2 is to make a program that calculates the days, weeks, months remaining if you live to 90. If you live up to 90. We have this input. Oh. All right. Let's make a comment. Days, weeks, months. If you live to 90 years old. Okay. I'll just take notes. So, you know what? Actually, let's go. Three, 5 days here are in 1 year, 52 weeks and 12 months. All right. Okay. Input current age. All right, that input will be a string. I needed an integer. To integer. That result will, let me see, variable total age. After this variable, no, we'll go, let me make a better name for that one. Age years after this one we'll create days, weeks, multiply years remaining by days by weeks and by months. Display result. Okay, so we have to create an integer right here. We convert it. All right, total age will be the age minus 90. Wait. We don't need a negative number. Will be 90 minus age. Wait a second. I said years remaining. Will be total age multiplied by 365. You know what? I'll change here and I'll say, God damn it, I'll say days. This one we don't need. Okay, so we converted to integer. We created a variable total age. Let's create it here. Let's say 90 minus input. And after this, let me see. Okay. But I guess you can, anyway, it's okay. All right. We have weeks and years. Oh, sorry, months. Here we have 52 and 12. Great. Now we have to print. Let me think. F string. You have days remaining. Days, comma, you have weeks remaining. Weeks, comma, and months remaining. Months left. Dot. All right, let's check. What's the example? It's 56. You have 12,410 days, 1,768 weeks, and 408 months left. Pretty cool. All right, let's recap. So let me check the flow chart. So we ask for the input, right? Which will convert it into a integer. We'll get the input and we create the variable total age where we'll subtract the input from 90. After that, we just use total age multiplied by days, weeks, months, and we'll print the result. Yeah, cool.